In pre-algebra 1.4, we're dealing with ordered pair and relationships. Now, some of you guys have done graphing and some of you haven't, but basically a graph is a coordinate system which has two dimensions, so two timelines put together. Okay, we have the one that goes left and right, which is my x-axis, and then up and down, which is my y-axis. And where they cross is a 0, 0, which is the origin point. Okay, and how you write any point is x-coordinate, comma, y-coordinate. So x, comma, y, x, comma, y, x, comma, y. Go ahead and chant that in your head. For example, A is found in -2, -3. So the negative tells me, starting at the x always goes first, I'm going to go back 2, so I'm going to go left 2, and then because 3, I'm going to go down 3, and that gives me A. Okay? So let's look at number 1. It's asking us to label point B. So point B goes back 1, so the x goes first, and it's -1, and then the y, which it goes all the way up to 3. So that means if I wanted to find point B, I'd go -1 up 3, right? So number 2 is asking us to graph C. So that means I'm going to start, this is x, comma, y. So my x is going to be 2, so I'm going to go 2 on the x. I'm not going to mark my point because I also have to then go up or down. Because it's a +3, I'm going to go up 3. And this is my point C. So this one is asking me to express it as a graph in a table. Well, a table is going to have the x-coordinate on one side and then the y on the other. So it's going to be 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 0, 0, 2. Now, I need the left side in order. So you see how it's 1, 2, 3, 0? I need to put this one first, the 0. So 0, 2, then I go 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, 0. So this doesn't have to be in order, but the x should be in order, right? If I want to graph, I'm going to make the x, and I'm sorry, the y and the x. Doesn't matter which one I draw first. Okay? And then I'm going to graph each one. The first one, I start, this is my x and y. X always goes first. So I'm going to do 0 at x. That means I don't move left or right because it stays at the 0. And then I'm going to go up 2. That's my first point. The next one, I'm going to go right 1 and then up 4. The next one, I'm going to go right 2 because it's positive and up 2. And the next one is 3. So that means I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, but I don't go up and down because it says 0, so it stays on here. So these are my 4 points. I don't have to connect them right now, so don't connect them, but just go ahead and graph each one. If you want, you can label A, B, C, D. So you know this is my A, B, C, D. All right? Hopefully that makes some sense. If it doesn't, hey, it's fine. But go ahead and write this down and try page 28, numbers 2 to 10 even on your own. So page 28, numbers 2 to 10 even on your own. And I will see you in class.